Assalamualaikum and a very good day everyone. We are from Group 3. Today we are presenting the best recap practices. Okay, before that, let me introduce our group members. So there are 4 members in this group, which are Tan Kim HOCK, AMERA NATASA, HAMIMAH HASSAN and me, AKMA IZZATI. Next is the outline presentation for today. There are 3 parts. The first one is best soil mixture for planting. The second one is DIY homemade organic fertilizer for all plants. And the last one is DIY homemade natural insecticide. Okay, next. I will be presenting the first part, which is best soil mixture for planting. So why do we need best soil mixture? There are 3 goals for a good soil mixture. First, good potting mixture are needed to hold moisture and nutrients around a plant roots. Second, to provide good aeration for growing roots to be able to breathe. And third, to support the plants and anchor the roots. So remember, great urban landscape need a great soil. These are the ingredients for best potting mixture from our group. There are 4 substances involved, which are clay, coco peat, sand, and compost. So the ratio for this formula is stated in the slide, which are 1 ratio of clay, 1 ratio of coco peat, half ratio of sand, and 3/4 of compost. So we use clay because clay can hold water well and its texture able to compact easily. Next, we choose to include coco peat because coco peat have potential to improve water retention and aeration. Also, it able to decrease the risk of soil fungus and root disease. So next, we choose to have sand in our potting mixture because sand is also good in rainwater and it helps to add some weight to the mixture and it can be physically support for growing plants. Last, we choose to include compost as it contains billions of beneficial microbes and also has a great water holding capacity and contain nutrient content. All those ingredients are needed to mix together, and remember to monitor and keep the soil in natural pH or slightly acidic.
Hi everyone, I'm Kim HOCK. Now we are going to produce our own DIY fertilizer just by using organic ingredients that can be easily found. To produce an organic fertilizer, we must first understand what are the important nutrients that are commonly shared among all the trees. For example, the macronutrients, secondary nutrients, and micronutrients. So in this video, we will be focusing on nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and calcium as the criteria of making our own DIY fertilizer in order to improve the health and also the aesthetic value of urban trees. Let's go!
Hello everyone, I am AMERA. Now I will show you how to make DIY fertilizer.
The first ingredients is eggshell, second banana skin, coffee powder and fish bone. We need some water, blender and container to fill our fertilizer. The first step is we crunch the eggshell and put into the blender. Then we put banana skin, some coffee powder, and the last is fish bone. Before start, we put some water and then blend it. Okay, after finish, we put the fertilizer into the bottle. Okay, we use 1.5 liter of bottle. Then we fill some water, plain water into the bottle until full. Already finished and it is ready to use to our tree.
Hello everyone, I am HAMIMAH. Today I will show you how to make DIY homemade natural insecticide. First of all, we will need a clove of garlic, some water and few drops of dishwasher. Before we start, let's find out reasons we use garlic and dishwasher. Why we use garlic? This is due to the sulfur compounds that can be found in garlic. For your information, sulfur is known as a powerful standalone fungicide, but when paired with allicin, which a compound within garlic, it confuses insects by interfering with their sensory receptors. Not only that, the pungent smell from garlic helps to annoy pests and repel them away. As for the dishwasher, soap kills soft-bodied insects by breaking down its protective cuticle or skin. Without further ado, let's move on to the steps of making our own DIY insecticide.